gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Got an undercover car. Look at this. They're looking for me. Look at this. How slow they respond. That's an undercover car. I'm going. I'm gonna pull up on them. You looking for somebody that was open carrying?
Where's he at?
It's me. Legal activity though. No need for anything, so. It's legal activity. There's nothing you can do. Look at this. Look at this. Can't pull me over for that. She just kept going. She don't believe me? Wow. I guess she recognized that. Look at this. I'm gonna do a call. She's on where is he at? I just told her where I was at. Like, there's nothing they can do. Nice undercover car, man. I'm not pulling over. Yeah, did she just hit me?
How you doing today?
Yeah, you haven't stopped me for a traffic violation, so can I continue to go?
Okay, I'm just gonna have you pull over this side so we can let traffic go over.
I know, but like, you haven't stopped me for any legal reason, so why am I being stopped?
Okay, can you pull over this side so we can let traffic go?
I can, but I don't want to do that because you have no legal reason for pulling me over. See what I'm saying? That makes perfect sense, right?
Okay, sorry. Can you go here for a second?
Doesn't that make sense though? Yeah, you have no legal reason to pull me over. See what I'm saying? So she's asking, you know, I'm just telling her I'm about to continue to go. Like, there's no legal reason for pulling me over.
Okay, listen.
You see what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying.
Listen, I don't care.
Okay. All right. That's all.
We got a call because
I know
some
legal
very
activity.
triggered people.
Yeah, legal activity. I got you.
Given the state of affairs.
I got you.
All right. You want to have an AR? You want to have bing bangs? That's fine. I don't care.
Yeah, I got you.
I like the dog, by the way.
Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it.
All right. So
yeah, I
understand that when we get called.
Yeah, I get.
We have an obligation to come out to that.
I mean, I get that, but like I'm saying, pulling me over, like I haven't done anything illegal. So, and even when I am open carrying, it's legal activity. So it's really no need for anything.
Listen. I get it. I get your narrative. All right. But you're going about it all wrong. If you want attention, start a blog.
Yeah, but I have a YouTube channel, but this is not for attention. This is actually to reduce gun violence. I have a whole. If you look up, it's called Shakur Capital. If you look it up, you'll see the message. So
listen,
I got you. That's why I say I'm just not pulling over because it was an illegal stop.
Listen,
that's all. I got you. All right. Well.
And here's the other thing. If a cop tells you to pull over, guess what you're gonna do?
Yeah, but it's not you.
But guess what you're gonna do?
I mean, but I'm still in the
I want you to enjoy the rest of your day, but I want you to take that narrative and take it somewhere else.
But what do you mean? But if somebody tell you to pull over and it's not a legal reason.
Listen, we're not here to dispute legality. If whether this was a car stop for this, was a car stop for something else, if an officer tells you like, hey, listen, pull over, What's the easiest path?
I mean, the easiest path is to pull over, but if I'm not even supposed to be, but I'm not supposed to be getting pulled over if it's not a legal reason.
Listen,
You understand that, though.
I'm not arguing with you. I'm not going to engage you in this nonsense.
Can I get your name and badge number?
The video pretty much cuts off because my phone ran out of storage. This video was recorded in 2021, dated, I believe, 9/3/2021 is the date of the incident or the illegal stop. And pretty much I ran out of storage. I had like an iPhone 6S and the storage was full, so it cut out and ran out. But pretty much the officer ends up saying, if a police officer tell you to do something, you're going to do it no matter what, whether it's legal or not. And then the reason I requested the body cam footage is because the officer says I can make your day a living hell if he wants to. So I requested the body cam because of that. And then you had this other officer who decided to stick the body cam up in my face. So I'm just like, if you want to see me that bad, I gotta see the body cam now. So, but as you can see, the sworn affidavit, the police lie on multiple occasions to deny the video release. So it's currently in the process of being appealed to a higher court. I filed a motion for reconsideration on the initial case, and for some reason, I got to look into it further, but I'm not sure why the judge denied it. So unfortunately, because he did deny it, I could file another motion for reconsideration, which I might do before I file an appeal. But, yeah. But, yeah, the judge denied it, and I'm not sure why. I actually may have to have him recused from all my other cases because the motion that I filed was, like fully out in detail, explaining everything. So for him to deny that motion for reconsideration is almost, almost outrageous. So, but I may file a brief, short one. So we'll see. Okay, right now we're going to briefly cover a Act 22 request that was denied. Then I appealed it, and it was denied based on false or misleading information. And this is the sworn affidavit from the open records officer. And as you can see, I won't read all of it, but I'll read some of it. Pretty much I'll read everything in the red boxes and a little bit after that. So if you see number 3, PPD respond to this information and observed an individual fitting that description wearing a green hoodie and a ballistic vest and carrying an AR-15 assault rifle. So that's in the red box because that is a lie. PPD conducted an investigation of the premises and the investigation of Mr. Glover before eventually clearing Mr. Glover of criminal wrongdoing, completing the investigation. As you can see in the video, I know it cuts out, but there was no investigation. It was a legal stop and a release. See line number 5, PPD receiving a call from a civilian reporting suspicious behavior of an individual wearing a ballistic vest and carrying an AR-15 rifle directly led to the PPD's decision to stop and further investigate the matter and the premises. They may have received the call. However, that's not the reason they stopped me. The reason they stopped me is because I told them it was me open carrying. And then at that point, there was nothing they could do, but they still illegally stopped me. All right, let's go to point 6. It says, on multiple occasions since the summer of 2021, Mr. Glover has attempted to gain entry to multiple police offices and locations armed with a long rifle. That's in the box as well, because that is a lie. I don't have a rifle at all, And there's only one police station that I actually open carry my AR-15 in. So, which is an AR-15 pistol. So that's a lie. You'll probably see that in a couple more videos I make in some sworn affidavits. So that is a lie. That's completely false. If you see point number 7, because it says allegedly, it's not, it wasn't me, it didn't happen, but I can't say it's a lie because it's allegedly, they don't say it actually, that I actually did it. So, but like you see, the case was no prize, it wasn't me. So the case was no prize by the district attorney based on the evidence and their investigation. So you can see there, but pretty much, so you got 4 lies. Then you got a false allegation put on me. All this to stop me from getting records requests. If you review the video, you'll see that what's stated in this sworn affidavit isn't true. So there is internal affairs investigation going on. We'll see how it goes. There's also an investigation from higher law enforcement because this denial has happened 4 times, and these lies have been used over and over on 4 different occasions to prevent the release of records. And as you can see, I was stopped illegally, but I was released, relatively quickly. But the stop in itself is illegal, and we have had recently a stop result in death, and they illegally stopped someone. They were illegally armed to try to get away, and the gun went off, and the police ended up killing the person. However, that stop in itself was illegal. And in the police policy, it states that they can't stop someone just for them having a gun. And I have policies dated as old as 2019 and as recent as 2023. So this is actually in my lawsuit, this stop, one of the lawsuits that I filed. And this has happened to me 4 different times. So this is just one of them, but I just wanted to brief you all on this and let you hear some of it. Hope you enjoyed the video. There's more to come.